Hello and welcome. In this video, we will explore HTML graphics, focusing on modern web visualization technologies. We'll cover Scalable Vector Graphics, also known as SVG, Canvas Cascading Style Sheets, or CSS, and WebGL. Let's dive in and discover the power of these tools for creating stunning visuals on the web. Let us understand the basics of HTML graphics. HTML graphics are essential for various reasons. They enable powerful data visualization, creating interactive user interfaces, developing engaging games and animations, generating informative charts and diagrams, and displaying maps and geospatial data. The key technologies involved are SVG, which stands for Scalable Vector Graphics and is used for vector graphics. Then there's Canvas, a pixel-based drawing API. We have CSS for styling and animations, WebGL for 3D graphics, and various libraries like D3.js and 3.js that simplify the process. Now let's take a closer look at SVG graphics, or Scalable Vector Graphics. SVG is an XML-based vector format, which means it's resolution independent, ensuring crisp graphics on any screen. It supports interactivity, allowing you to create dynamic and responsive elements. CSS styling can be used to enhance its appearance, and it also offers animation capabilities and accessibility features. Here's a basic SVG example. This code creates a circle with a radius of 80, filled with a reddish color, and outlined with a white stroke. The coordinates 150, 100 position the circle, and the view box ensures proper scaling. Let's explore Canvas graphics. The HTML Canvas element is a powerful pixel-based drawing API controlled by JavaScript. It offers high performance for animations, making it ideal for interactive and dynamic content. Unlike SVG, Canvas does not use DOM nodes for shapes. Instead, it uses immediate mode graphics, drawing pixels directly onto the canvas. Canvas provides image manipulation capabilities and is excellent for games and complex visuals. Here is a basic Canvas example using JavaScript. This code retrieves a Canvas element, gets its 2D drawing context, creates a radial gradient, and draws a circle with the gradient fill. This method allows for highly customizable and dynamic graphics. Next, let's discuss CSS Graphics, where we can create styling-based visual elements. CSS allows you to create shapes using CSS properties. You can also make gradients and patterns. It can handle transforms and transitions, apply filters and blend modes, and even clip complex shapes using clip path, all without needing JavaScript. Here's a CSS example. This CSS code defines a circle with a gradient background, rounded corners, and a subtle shadow. The before pseudo element adds a white border inside the circle. With CSS, you can easily create visually appealing elements with minimal code. Let's explore WebGL Graphics, which brings 3D graphics to the browser. WebGL uses hardware-accelerated 3D graphics based on OpenGL ES, providing direct access to the GPU. This enables complex 3D scenes and models with shader programming. It is used with libraries like 3.js. Here is a basic example using 3.js, a popular WebGL library. This code sets up a scene, camera, and renderer, creates a green cube, and adds it to the scene. This is a starting point for creating more complex 3D graphics using WebGL. Let's compare HTML graphics technologies to help you choose the right tool for your project. When it comes to resolution independence, SVG and CSS shine, maintaining crisp graphics at any scale, while Canvas and WebGL might require adjustments. Performance-wise, Canvas and WebGL excel, offering high-speed rendering for animations and complex scenes, whereas SVG and CSS may have limitations. Accessibility is a key advantage for SVG and CSS, as they can be easily indexed and styled for screen readers, unlike Canvas and WebGL. All four technologies support animation, but WebGL is essential for true 3D support. CSS is generally low in complexity, SVG and Canvas are medium, and WebGL tends to be high. Keep these factors in mind to select the best technology for your needs. Let's explore some HTML graphics use cases and resources. HTML graphics can be used in data visualization, web games, user interface and user experience elements, and also in creating 3D experiences. For data visualization, you can use SVG, Canvas, and WebGL. For web games, you can use Canvas and WebGL. For user interface and user experience elements, you can use SVG and CSS. For 3D experiences, you can use WebGL. Here are some great resources. We have MDN WebDocs, W3 Schools, CSS Tricks, and Stack Overflow. These websites provide extensive documentation, tutorials, and community support to help you master HTML graphics. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.